Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My presentation topic is the role of statistics in artificial intelligence and big data. Presented by Mohammad Rahan Gobir, Department of Banking and Insurance, University of Rajshahi. My student ID 2510837153. Let's start our presentation. Introduction. Statistics, artificial intelligence, and big data are deeply interconnected fields shaping the modern world. Data-driven technology power innovation across industries, enabling smarter decision and transformative solution. This presentation explores how these disciplines intersect and collaborate to unlock the full potential of data. What is statistics? Statistics is the science of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. It forms the backbone of data understanding across every field of modern knowledge. It is core statistics transforms raw number into meaningful insight, enabling us to detect pattern, draw conclusion, and make informed decision. K including statistics, data collection, gathering involved and reliable information, data analysis, applying mathematical methods to uncover patterns, interpretation, drawing meaningful conclusion from result, presentation, communicating finding early and effectively. Statistics serves as the fundamental language of data science, artificial intelligence, and big data. Without statistics method, it would be impossible to validate AI models, understand large scale details, or drive data informed innovation. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence by machine, enabling them to learn, reason, and solve problems. Rooted in statistical method and data-driven models, AI systems are designed to perform tasks that typically require human cognition, from recognizing speech to making decisions and predicting outcomes. Core areas of AI: machine learning, algorithm that learn from data patterns, natural language processing, enabling machines to understand human language, computer vision, interpreting and analyzing visual information from the world. AI and data connection. AI system rely on vast amounts of data and statistical models to function effectively. Without statistics, AI cannot identify patterns, validate model, or make accurate prediction from complex dataset. Value. Value is the most critical way extracting meaningful, actionable insight from raw data to drive smarter decision and create competitive business advantages. The 5 R's framework. Together, the 5 R's define big data's complexity. Statistics provide the tools to manage, interpret, and transform this vast data streams into reliable knowledge. Role of statistics in AI and big data. Statistics form the backbone of artificial intelligence and big data. It provides the mathematical and analytical foundation that transforms raw data into meaningful insight, enabling machines to learn, predict, and make intelligent decisions with confidence and accuracy. Data summarization and pattern recognition. Statistical method condense vast dataset into meaningful summaries, uncovering hidden patterns and trends that drive intelligence, AI model learning, and accurate predictions. Model building and validation. Statistics facilities the construction and rigorous validation of AI models, ensuring reliability, accuracy, and generability across diverse real-world datasets and scenarios. Real-life application: fraud detection, finance and banking. Statistical models analyze transaction patterns to detect anomalies in real time, reducing financial fraud and protecting insuring through machine learning algorithms. E-commerce and retail. Recommendation engines use statistical analysis of user behavior and purchase history to deliver highly personalized product suggestions, boosting sales and customer satisfaction. Benefit of statistics in AI and big data. Better decision making. Statistics empowers data-driven insight, enabling organization to make smarter, more informed decisions by analyzing patterns and trends. Business reduce guesswork and act with confidence on reliable evidence. Accurate predictions. Statistical model form the backbone of AI system, enabling accurate forecasting and predictive analytics. From demand planning to risk assessment, precise predictions drive competitive advantage and operational excellence. Okay, now challenges and limitations. While statistics in fundamental to AI and big data, its application comes with significant challenges. Addressing these limitations is critical to building reliable, fair, and effective data-driven system. Now, future scope. The convergence of statistics, AI, and big data is unlocking transformative opportunities across industries. Emerging trends point to smarter analytics, more precise predictive system, and data-driven automation, reshaping how organizations operate and innovate in an increasingly connected world. Smart analytics. Smart business analytics integrating AI and statistics will enable real-time decision making, advanced forecasting, and deeper insight from complex multi-source data. Conclusion. Summary. AI and big data have not replaced statistics, they have amplified it. Key takeaway. Future business leaders must be statistically literate to interpret the output of AI and ensure data-driven decisions are grounded in mathematical truth. Thank you, sir, for your attention.